Hi, I'm David Owen Hastings. Welcome back into my studio. I'm excited to let you know that I'll be teaching 2 online classes again in early 2026. This is part of Mancuso Show Management's fun online event called QuiltFest Virtual Schoolhouse. This is going to be their number 13 edition. I can't believe it. Time is flying by, but these are a great way to take workshops from the comfort of your home with me, and you can sign up as an individual. The first workshop I'll be teaching is called Inspired by Art, and you can start from any kind of a photograph of a favorite work of art of yours, and I'll show you how to break that down into simple shapes that we will then piece improvisationally and then put them together into a modern abstract quilt composition. This is called Inspired by Art again, and it's on Friday, January 23rd, 2026. It's a full day workshop on Zoom. The second workshop I'll be teaching is mini mid-mod quilts, and this is a really fun, addictive project. I'll guide you through the steps to work with a mostly neutral palette with a little flash of color, and you'll make these small 5-inch square compositions quickly, and then we'll add some sashiko-inspired hand embellishment to them. I'll also show you how to join them up into a larger small wall hanging made with 5-inch squares, and I think you'll really enjoy this one. It's called Mini Mid-Mod Quilts, and that is on Saturday, January 24th, 2026. It's a half-day workshop on Zoom, and these are both hosted generously by Mancuso Show Management and their QuiltFest Virtual Schoolhouse number 13. Sign up either going to quiltfest.com. You can search for this event and look up my name and sign up that way. Or if you're watching this on YouTube, you can look at the description below this video and find direct links to these 2 workshops where you can sign up. I hope to see you with you in January of 2026 online. See you then.